Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. The topic is simple. Test your power. So do this test and see how big is your power of influence. I'm talking about the crypto space and your influence in this. Let's say you are a YouTuber, you were a TikToker, you're a Instagram and all the media, Facebook guy, right? Double check your power, and I'll give you the tool to test it. Not just that, we give you a $2,000 gift. It's a $2,000 reward if you get 100 people to use your referral link. Have a look. Let's go through these. This is a legit crypto project. Okay, let's maximize these. Have a look. Okay, so it's GPT token, it's GPTX. Read all about it and go in here, attach your MetaMask wallet. Okay, it doesn't cost you anything. Attach it, and this way you will have your referral link. Okay, use this referral link, it's right here, affiliate link. Use it and show it to your people. Tell them about the project. The project is very legit, and you have a time limit. You have 3 days and 6 hours to do it. So if 100 people uses your referral link and buys GPTX token in the next 3 days, we give you a reward. It's 2,000 US dollar tether. Okay, so again, get your MetaMask, link it to Pink Sale. Okay, we are on Pink Sale Launchpad. Go on pinksale.finance, but I'll leave anyway the link in the description. But if you have to Google it, you go on Pink Sale, you go on Launchpad, you go on Launchpad list, and you go on GPT token. When you Google this, it will show up. Boom. I'm telling you, link it, grab your free referral link. It's the affiliate link, and post it in your videos or your stories. Okay, grab 100 referral links, like grab one, but if you gather 100 people underneath you, like people using your link, you're getting this reward. Again, I repeat, it's $2,000. It's your to enjoy it. Okay, so again, test your power. Show me that you are an influencer. Okay, thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day.